Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page we click on CapCut. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. As you see here in this page, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.